Right now, there's a massive structure floating in space that's so big, it breaks the fundamental laws of physics as we know them. The Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall stretches across 10 billion light-years, and according to Einstein's cosmological principle, it shouldn't even exist. But here's what they're not telling you about what else is out there. In 2006, NASA discovered something that made veteran astronomers question everything. A completely empty region of space, nearly a billion light-years across, containing almost no galaxies, no stars, nothing. The CMB cold spot, as it's called, sits there like a cosmic void that scientists still can't explain. Some researchers suggest it could be evidence of a parallel universe that bumped into ours. Others think it might be a data error. But after 17 years of observation, it's still there, still unexplained, and still challenging everything we thought we knew about the universe's structure. Now here's where it gets controversial. In 2023, the James Webb Space Telescope found 6 massive galaxies that existed just 500 to 700 million years after the Big Bang. The problem? They're so massive and so mature that they shouldn't exist yet. According to our current models, the universe simply hadn't had enough time to form galaxies that large and developed. One astronomer called it universe breaking. These galaxies are forcing scientists to either completely rewrite cosmology textbooks or admit our understanding of the early universe is fundamentally wrong. But let's talk about something even stranger. There's a region in space where Earth's gravity just disappears. The Indian Ocean geoid low covers more than 3 million square kilometers, and in this area, the sea level drops by over 100 meters compared to the global average because gravity is significantly weaker. Scientists discovered in 2023 that this anomaly is caused by ancient ocean floor structures sinking into the mantle, but here's the catch. This has been affecting our planet for over 140 million years, and we only just figured it out. Want to know what's actually terrifying? Fast radio bursts. These are millisecond-long explosions of radio energy that release as much power as the sun does in 3 days, compressed into a fraction of a second. In 2022, astronomers detected the most powerful FRB ever recorded, coming from a galaxy 8 billion light-years away. We've now detected over 600 of these bursts, and while scientists officially say they're caused by magnetars, highly magnetic neutron stars, there's a growing minority of researchers who can't explain why some FRBs repeat in patterns. One FRB source repeats every 16 days like clockwork. Natural phenomena don't usually work on schedules. Here's something NASA confirmed in 2023 that sounds like science fiction. There's a planet where it rains glass sideways. HD 189733b, located 63 light-years away, has winds of 5,400 miles per hour and temperatures of 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. The blue color that telescopes detect isn't water, it's atmospheric silicate particles. That's molten glass, whipped into a permanent hurricane across the entire planet. This world exists, right now, in our galaxy. But the controversy that's dividing the scientific community today involves the Hubble tension. 2 different methods of measuring the universe's expansion rate are giving us 2 different answers, and the gap is widening. Local measurements show the universe expanding at 73 kilometers per second per megaparsec. Measurements from the early universe suggest 67. This 7-year discrepancy might seem small, but it implies either our instruments are wrong, our physics is incomplete, or something fundamentally changed in how the universe expands. In 2024, this remains one of the biggest unsolved problems in cosmology, and no one wants to admit what it might mean, that we don't understand the universe as well as we claim. The most recent discovery that's causing heated debate came in late 2023. Astronomers found a massive structure of galaxies forming a ring that's 1.3 billion light-years in diameter. The Big Ring, as it's called, is the 7th large structure discovered that violates the cosmological principle, the assumption that matter is evenly distributed throughout the universe at large scales. These structures keep appearing, and they keep breaking the rules. Some scientists are now quietly suggesting we might need to abandon principles we've held for a century. Here's what makes all of this deeply unsettling. In 2022, researchers confirmed that 70% of our universe is dark energy, 25% is dark matter, and only 5% is normal matter, the stuff we can see and touch. We've built our entire understanding of physics, chemistry, and reality itself on that 5%. We literally don't know what 95% of the universe is made of. We've given it names, dark matter and dark energy, but those are just labels for our ignorance. Imagine building your entire worldview based on 5% of available information. The universe is not what they taught you in school. It's stranger, more violent, and far less understood than anyone wants to admit. Every new telescope we build, every new detection method we develop, reveals more anomalies, more contradictions, more evidence that our models are incomplete. And the most exciting part? We're living in the golden age of discovery right now as these mysteries unfold. If you want to stay updated on the discoveries that challenge everything we think we know about reality, follow this page for more content that breaks down the universe's biggest secrets. Now tell me, which of these anomalies disturbs you the most and why?